This is the UV box. This is the opening, the door. You can see here the lamp and the sample holder. It must be fixed in this position. This is the other one. Okay, we have the spray for the water spray. These are the sensor, UV sensor for the first two lamps, and this is the other one for the other two lamps. On the back side there are the same sensor. Then you close it. This is the flow meter for the spray option, and in the back there is the water connection, so you can connect to your net or pass through a demineralizer system. This one, that is an option. You can buy also locally. This is a water demineralizer system. In the bottom of the chamber you can see the two electro valve for charging the water, for the condensing and for the spray. And this is the drain tube, must be connected to your drain system. And this is the tap for opening and closing the tank for the water that is here in this position. There is the tank. Then we can see how to manage the control panel. In this case it is running a cycle ISO 4892 3 cycle 2. That is a cycle that you just click on program and you see the description of the program. So in this case is 8 hours of lamps, 15 minutes of spray, and 3 hours and 45 minutes of condensation. You can see here the temperature, 60 degrees for the lamps phase and 50 degrees for the condensation phase. If you want to modify the value, just click on the value, just modify, just enter. If you want to save this cycle, you have to press save button. Otherwise, if you exit, the program remains the same as before. Okay, so in this case we exit. So you can see here exactly what is doing the chamber. Is doing in this phase lamp, and you see here lamp test execution. After that it will run spray timer, spray phase, and then after condensation phase. On the other side of the panel you see the program, in this case program number 1, the number of cycle. In this case we have set it 5 cycles, and this is running the first of 5. And here you have the irradiance value that you have set it. This one is for the first 2 lamps on the front, this one the second 2 lamps on the front, this one are the first 2 lamps on the back, and this one are the second 2 lamps on the back. This is the value that you have set it on the program. So if you re-enter the program, you see 0.76 is the setting point of the irradiance. In this case number of cycle 5, program 1. Side, what is side? Side, it means that both sides of the lamp are working, so the front and the back. You can also select only one side, that it means only the front size of the lamp. So you can save economy and not use the lamp on the back. Usually it is working both sides, so you just enter two. Two means both sides, front and back. If you want to modify the phase, just click on the enable or disable the spray phase, for example, or the condensation phase. After each modification you have to save. If you don't save, the program still remain the same. You exit. Okay, you return on the front panel. You see in the center there is 60 degrees is the setting point of the lamp's phase, 50 degrees is the setting point of the condensation phase, and the black panel is the actual temperature inside the chamber that is measured by the black panel. In this case is 53, is growing up to 60, that is the setting point. So this is what you see on the display. You see start point, pause if you want to make a pause of the machine, and then you can restart the test. Automatically the timer will stop and then will restart. If you want to stop, you just press stop the cycle. So in this case is stopped, and the timer will come again at the beginning. So take care at using the stop. In this case we start again. So if you want just to start and then make a pause for checking the sample, use this pause machine, and then you can have a look, for example, at your sample. You can check them, what is doing. In this case you move it, you can insert and check the sample, then you close and then you start again.